So one of the things we've noticed is that students will, if they have to navigate a lot of different courses or a lot of different folders, they tend to slow down and sometimes they just give up altogether and don't do what it is that we're asking them to do. So one of the strategies we found very effective is to just use links rather than actually get kids to the classroom. And in our case, it's a little bit unique because we have a classroom, their teacher has a classroom, we're working with the teacher. Sometimes they're not sure whether the work we're putting together is in our classroom or in the teacher's classroom. So it can be a little confusing. So our workaround is to, let's say I've created an assessment that I'm working with Ms. Bacon's students, so I'm going to go into the social studies folder here and the junior research paper here and then US history and then Bacon. And let's say I want to share this little mini assessment with our students. They have to watch a video and do an assessment. So instead of making them go through all the steps we just went through in order to get here, what we're going to do instead is I'm going to hover over that title, I'm going to right click, and I can copy the link address. And once the kids have that link address, they'll just, so long as they're signed into Chrome and Schoology somewhere in that browser, they can come here and we can paste that, and you can see that bam, they're already at the assessment in question, right? So this is where I wanted them to be. And so making them go through those 7 or 9 steps that they needed to go through to get there, this is much easier. So let's say we had a Google document and we wanted to put it in that Google document. So you can say, I'm typing at a weird angle, Ms. Bacon's video quiz. Sorry about my typing. I'm going to highlight this and I'm going to go on the link and I'm going to paste my link here and apply. And so now I've posted that link to a Google Doc. I could just as easily do it in a slideshow or somewhere else or on the web or in a blog or in Classroom or in Digication, wherever it is. So I created the assessment in Schoology. I'll be grading the assessment in Schoology, but students can access it any number of ways. They don't have to be actually in Schoology in order to access that tool. So I'm finding this very helpful, and I thought I would share it.